Hi everyone, I am Kalachalvan. I am from Magendra Engineering College, ECE. Now I am going to discuss about our final year project. Project name is an solar tracking control system. Different weather condition using IoT and LoRa technology. The project aim is an developed solar tracking system, real-time weather condition, long range of communications.
Then my name is R. Dharnis. The main objective of our project is to maximize the energy efficiency and then minimize the energy consumption. The LoRa technology is used for long range communication. It is used for weather change. By using IoT, we can monitor the real-time data.
I am Balaji. I am going to discuss about XMC system, terrestrial solar panel, fixed position, terrestrial solar panel, without weather adaptability, terrestrial solar panel, short range of communication.
Myself K. Dinesh, I am going to talk about existing systems, limited weather adaptability, high maintenance cost, and energy efficiency is high. Internet is mandatory.
The proposed system of our project is the solar panel is in dynamic position. It can move by using the sunspot, and then by using the sensors of weather we can track the sunspot. The LoRa is used for long range communication, and then by using IoT we can monitor the real time data.
In the components are used in our projects are 12 volt power supply. It was converted into 5 volt converter, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, Arduino UNO, LCD display, LoRa, relay switch, LDR sensor, 12 volt solar panel, DC motor. In receiver sensor, transformer, LoRa, Arduino UNO, LCD display, IoT. In software sides are Android Studio.
Now I say about how to I connect the ports. The solar panel port and connected into the battery. The battery ports are port, and the DC motor is connected to relay. The relay only fixes the position of the forward action to backward action. Thank you.
The result of our project is the sensors will track the sunspot. If the sun moves from east to west, it also moves from east to west. We can get the results in the display by using the IoT, and then we also can see the readings in our mobile phone also.
The conclusion of our project is the system can automatically detect various weather conditions like rain, cloud cover, and high wind. It can change the direction of solar panel to safer its path. The LoRa long range system. The future enhancement of the project is we can also use UA to work this project.
And thank you.